Hey everyone, this is Tom from Adventures at Home. So today, so I have a day off today. Today is January 2nd, so it's a holiday for us at work. So what I want to do today is restock some of my firewood. Sales have been pretty good and my inventory is way down. So I have an ash tree that's down in the back. I had started bucking that up and cutting it up, but I need to go finish that. So I need to sharpen the chainsaw first, so I'll do that. I'm just going to use the electric chainsaw. It's just a lot easier to use that, the battery operated Ego. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you about a couple things first. So anyway, I've got some new shoes here. So these are some non-bush, and I bought these. I'm not really advertising for them, but I've been looking for shoes that I could just slip on and slip off, because every time I come out of the house, I'm carrying stuff with both hands, and I can't just easily, lace up some shoes. And I've been looking for something for quite a while. So anyway, I found these, and these are pretty decent. I'll put a link in, but they're waterproof. I used to have a pair of Crocs that I would walk in and out of the garage here, the attached garage. And these are called Defender. They're repellent, water repellent. So I tried Skechers, I tried a number of things. The main thing, I wanted something I can easily slip on, slip off, that were waterproof. We get a lot of moisture in the yard here. We just get a lot of dew on the grass, and anyway, I wanted something I could slip on and off easily. And then I got these boots. So I think these are Eddie Bauer, but you can find these kind of boots anywhere. Again, I'm not advertising for them. My dad gave me these, and these I can slip on and off too. So it's just so nice and convenient to be able to slip on and off boots without lacing them up. So what I've had here, these are my old boots. These are steel toe leather. I mean, these are nice. These are Timberland. And I really like these, but it's just a pain in the butt to lace these up and time and untie them. I cannot slip these on and off easily, and they're a hassle. So anyway, just a tip, this saves me a lot of time. I'm usually in and out of the house several times during the day. And this probably saves me a good half hour or an hour if I'm working all day. So anyway, just wanted to give a tip to you guys about that. So anyway, guys, if you don't know, I live here in Northeast Ohio. And this time of year, it's always wet and muddy and usually snowy. We have some warmer weather here today. And actually, last few days, it's been warmer. But now I have to deal with the mud. And of course, the cloudiness. It's typically gray this time of year and wet, and usually snowy, but at this time of year, you can see we've got wet, we've got mud, and that's what I have to deal with. So it's been warm here the last few days, so we've got the mud here. You can see here right in front of the barn, mud. So ideally, my ideal temperature for working out here is probably 28 degrees. It's just below freezing. The ground is frozen, and it's warm enough where you can stay warm, but you stay out of the mud. So anyway, that's my preferred temperature. Hey guys, just wanted to give you a view of the wood yard. My inventory, which is very low, so see, I've got a little bit back there. That's from the tree in the front yard that the squirrel jumped out of. This stuff back here. that's linden. So that's the linden back there. And then some of the linden is down here. And then I have American beech kind of on the top of this. And then you can see it's pretty depleted. So I'm going to try to put a dent in this anyway as far as restocking. So let's take a ride in the back. Down the muddy trail. I still haven't gotten my wood chips. You know, I've probably reordered 3 or 4 times on ship drop and still haven't received any wood chips. So here's the land bridge. See, the stream is flowing. It finally melted. We had that 5 below 0 weather about a week and a half ago. I have a pretty good stack of wood chips on this side. This is the highest or the steepest part of the path. So these wood chips really help a lot. Okay, so this was the ash tree that sheared off. You can see it broke off here and it sheared up. Probably about 20 feet of this thing was sheared off. And anyway, we cut this down a few months ago. I just haven't gotten back here to finish cutting it up, so that's the plan today. Looks like I got the chain in the dirt a little bit. I'm gonna have to sharpen this up. So I've got the tracking device on again. So hopefully you don't see that green dot on my head. Would help if I turned it on. There it goes. Okay guys, so the battery died, but I got a pretty good stack here if you can see it. Got several good rounds, so I'm gonna load this up and take it back to the wood yard. Okay, so I just unloaded the Ranger with the ash rounds that I just picked up. So that's what I got out of one charge with that Ego. It's a pretty good haul. So what I typically do is once I run out of charge, I bring the battery up here, charge it up. It only takes about an hour. So in the meantime, what I do is I bring up all the rounds to the log splitter, split the logs, and by the time I'm done doing that, the battery's charged up again. And then I can go back into the woods and continue bucking. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna do some splitting. I haven't started this thing in a couple of months, so I might need some starting fluid. Well, I was wrong on that. It just needed one more pull. So let it warm up, and then I'll get these logs on there.